Welcome to Asharfa English.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early. No, I don't wake up early.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am too much tired. No, I am not tired.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy. No, I am not happy.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am really hungry. No, I am not hungry.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I am busy. No, I am free.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea. No, I don't like tea.
Are you free today?
Yes, I am free today. No, I am not free today.
Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am a teacher. No, I am not a teacher.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married. No, I am not married.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. No, I am not okay.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am at home. No, I am not at home.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV. No, I don't watch TV.
Do you go to gym?
Yes, I go to gym. No, I don't go to gym.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak. No, I don't.
Are you coming now?
Yes, I am coming now. No, I am not coming now.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you. No, I can't help you.
Can you cook rice?
Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Do you drive car?
Yes, I drive car. No, I don't drive car.
Do you play piano?
Yes, I play piano. No, I don't play piano.
Are you online now?
Yes, I am online now. No, I am not online.
Are you in office?
Yes, I am in office. No, I am not in office.
Can you swim well?
Yes, I can swim well. No, I can't swim well.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. No, I can't hear you.
Did you call me?
Yes, I called you. No, I didn't call you.
Did you see him?
Yes, I saw him. No, I didn't see him.
Did you go out?
Yes, I went out. No, I didn't go out.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. No, I didn't sleep well.
Have you eaten yet?
Yes, I have eaten. No, I haven't eaten.
Have you done it?
Yes, I have done it. No, I haven't done it.
Have you read it?
Yes, I have read it. No, I haven't read it.
Have you met him?
Yes, I have met him. No, I haven't met him.
Will you help me?
Yes, I will help you. No, I won't help you.
Will you call me?
Yes, I will call you. No, I won't call you.
Will you go there?
Yes, I will go there. No, I won't go there.
Will you stay here?
Yes, I will stay here. No, I won't stay here.
Is it your bag?
Yes, it is my bag. No, it is not my bag.
Is it your phone?
Yes, it is my phone. No, it is not my phone.
Is it your car?
Yes, it is my car. No, it is not my car.
Is the food ready?
Yes, the food is ready. No, the food is not ready.
Is it raining now?
Yes, it is raining now. No, it is not raining.
Was it good?
Yes, it was good. No, it was not good.
Was it cold there?
Yes, it was cold. No, it was not cold.
Was she angry?
Yes, she was angry. No, she was not angry.
Was it your idea?
Yes, it was my idea. No, it was not my idea.
Do you want tea?
Yes, I want tea. No, I don't want tea.
Do you want food?
Yes, I want food. No, I don't want food.
Do you want help?
Yes, I want help. No, I don't want help.
Do you cook daily?
Yes, I cook daily. No, I don't cook daily.
Can you see this?
Yes, I can see this. No, I can't see this.
Can you do this?
Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Can you edit the video?
Yes, I can edit the video. No, I can't do this.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like rain. No, I don't like rain.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats. No, I don't like cats.
Did you get the mail?
Yes, I got the mail. No, I didn't get the mail.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I locked the door. No, I didn't lock the door.
Is it dark now?
Yes, it is dark now. No, it is not dark now.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is cold outside. No, it isn't.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it is sunny today. No, it is not sunny today.
Was the food tasty?
Yes, the food was tasty. No, the food was not tasty.
Was he late again?
Yes, he was. No, he wasn't.
Do you know the way?
Yes, I know the way. No, I don't know the way.
Do you know her name?
Yes, I know her name. No, I don't know it.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school. No, I don't go to school.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early. No, I don't wake up early.
Do you sleep on time?
Yes, I sleep on time. No, I don't sleep on time.
Do you study at night?
Yes, I study at night. No, I don't study at night.
Can you come with me?
Yes, I can come with you. No, I can't come with you.
Can you open this?
Yes, I can open this. No, I can't open this.
Can you carry this?
Yes, I can carry this. No, I can't carry this.
Have you told anyone?
Yes, I have told someone. No, I haven't told anyone.
Have you bought it?
Yes, I have bought it. No, I haven't bought it.
Is the shop open?
Yes, the shop is open. No, the shop is not open.
Is the water hot?
Yes, the water is hot. No, the water is not hot.
Is this your seat?
Yes, this is my seat. No, this is not my seat.
Was the test easy?
Yes, the test was easy. No, the test was not easy.
Was she your friend?
Yes, she was my friend. No, she was not my friend.
Do you want tea?
Yes, I want tea. No, I don't want tea.
Do you want food?
Yes, I want food. No, I don't want food.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games. No, I don't play games.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.